What's up, guys? Just wanted to show you guys, I've been pulling out these exhaust stud bolts, and these things are really bad off, but I pulled out 3 of them, I think, thus far. Yeah, 3 of them, and I've got 2 left, and I thought I'll try to record this and show you guys how well these things work. Now, I've not heated this up because obviously I'm holding it. I'm not putting any penetrant oil on it, nothing like that. It's just sitting on there, and it's really not even enough material there to hammer it on. And I'll try to do this with one hand because I'm holding the phone with the other hand. So I'm gonna put this on the impact gun and let's see if we can get it off. I mean, that's pretty good, guys. I mean, look at that. I don't know. I mean, it's still got some definition to it, but you know, for us guys in the Midwest, getting stuff off like that is a godsend. So this one here is probably gonna break because there's really nothing left of that one there. I don't know, you can't even get it to. Let's see. I don't know if I can do anything with that. I can't. See, the problem is I can't. I don't have anywhere to set the phone because I can't find my tripod. Let me pause this. Come back. I mean, once I get this hammered down, I'll show you guys. All right, we've got that one hammered on, and this one's probably gonna break, but we're gonna do it anyway and just see. Oh shit, it did it. There you go, guys. So, and you guys saw how bad that was, and that came off. We'd have to use the force tool to get it out, which, like I said, I'm working with one hand right now. Let me see if I can. I can't. There you go. I was trying to get it out a little bit so you guys can see it. There you go. Come on. Look how much. That's really nothing there. And it got it out. So guys, check out GripEdge tools. These things are freaking awesome. I've got 2 different sets, and couldn't do this job without them.